Hello everyone. So now let me move towards our next theory. Zeros of the polynomial means कोई भी any polynomial is there. If we want to find the zeros of the polynomial, so how can we find? Okay, so here consider the polynomial p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay, now in place of x, here we have to put 1. Okay, we replace x by 1 in this equation. In place of x we have to put 1. Okay, so 5x cube. So 5 and x cube, what is the relation between these two? 5 and x cube multiply. Okay, so 5 multiply 1 raised to power 3. Okay, in place of x I put here 1. Now minus 2 multiply by 1 raised to 2 plus 3 multiply by 1 minus 2. Okay, 1 cube 1 plus minus 1 square 1 and 1 is 1. Now 5 1 ja 5 minus 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3 and 2 here. So let me solve this. 5 is a plus and 3 is also plus, so 5 plus 3 8 and minus 2 so minus 4, so 8 minus 4 is the answer. So p of x, if we put in place of x here we put 1, so we got the answer 4. So it is not a zero of this polynomial. Okay, so now let me take another. Now let me put 0 in place of x. So p of x, in place of x I put here 0. So 0 cube 0 square, so 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 2 0, 3 multiplied by 0 3 0. So answer is minus 2. So it is also not a so 0 is also not zero of the polynomial. Okay, now can you find for minus 1? So let me find for minus 1. Okay, so here I'll find for minus 1. Okay, यहाँ पे दिया है, can you find for p of minus 1? So p of minus 1, let me find out, is equal to 5 minus 1 3 2 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 is here, minus is there and power is odd or even odd, so answer is minus 1. 2 power is even, so answer is 1. 3 1 ja 3, but plus minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, so 5 1 ja 5 minus 5, 2 1 ja 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, so now let me solve this. Minus 5 to minus 2 minus 7 minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 minus 10 minus 7 minus 3, so minus 10 minus 12. So minus 1 is also not zeros of the polynomial. Okay, so now let me next example number 2. Find the value of each following polynomial at indicated value of variable. P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. So in this polynomial we have to take value of x is equal to 1. Okay, so let me see solved example. P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Now x is equal to 1. P of 1, in place of x we have to put 1. 1 square 3 into 1. 1 square is 1, so 5 1 ja 5, 3 1 ja 3 and 7. So 5 minus 3, it's a 2. 2 plus 7 9. So x is equal to 1. 1 is not polynomial of zero of the polynomial. Now next is given 3y square minus 4y plus under root 11 at y is equal to 2. Okay, in place of y we have to put 2. Okay, यहाँ पे y दिया है, x नहीं दिया है. So in place of y we have to put 2. So 2 raised to 3 minus 4 in bracket 2 plus under root 11. So 2's cube, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8, okay, 8 or here 8, 8 3 is 24, 4 2 is 8 plus under root 11. So answer is 16 plus under root 11. So it is also not zero of the polynomial. Now next is a 4t raised to power 4 plus 5t raised to 3 minus t square plus 6 at t is equal to a. t की प्लेस पे हमें क्या रखना है? a. Okay, so let me in place of t I put a, 4a4 plus 5a cube minus a square plus 6. Now here we got the answer this, so we can say that a is not a zero of the polynomial. Okay friends, now let us see example number 3. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. Okay, so our polynomial is here x plus 2 and we have to check for minus 2 and 2 for both. Okay, so here let me take p of x is equal to x plus 2. So now in place of x, here we have to put minus 2 and 2 one by one. So p of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. So its answer is 4. So 2 is not a zero of the polynomial. Now put minus 2 in place of x. So p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2. We got 0. So we can say that minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial. Okay, now example number 4. Example number 4 says that find a zero of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, p of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, so how to find zero of the polynomial? So we have to take p of x is equal to 0. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 हमें यहाँ consider करना है. Okay, so let me see. So here I took 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we have to find the value of x. It is the zero of the polynomial. Okay, so now this 1 plus 1 is going to right hand side, so it become minus 1, and this 2 is going to denominator of 2. So answer is x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is a zero of the polynomial 2x plus 1. Okay, so now next p of x is equal to ax plus b. We have to find the zero of the x of this polynomial. So ax plus b. So what we have to do to find the zero of this polynomial? We have to take p of x is equal to 0. P of x is equal to ax plus b. So here I took ax plus b is equal to 0. Now this b is going to right hand side, so it become minus b. So ax is equal to minus b. To find x, a is going to denominator of minus b. So answer is minus b by a. So we can say that x is equal to minus b by a is only 0 of p of x. So minus b by a is the 0 of the given polynomial. Now next example number 5. Verify whether 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Here we have to take p of x is equal to x square minus 2x. So one by one in place of x we have to put 2 and we have to put 0. So p of x is equal to x square minus 2x. P of 2 is equal to in place of x 2 square minus 2 multiplied by 2 2 is a 4. So 4 here directly they brought. So 2 square 4 minus 4 0. Yes, so 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, and again let we check for 0. P of 0 is equal to 0 minus 0. We got 0. So 2 and 0 both are zeros of polynomial x square minus 2x. Okay friends, now exercise 2.2. In exercise 2.2, first question you try to solve it by yourself. Okay, find the value of polynomial px minus 4x square plus 3. इसकी value this we have to take as p of x, or in place of x we have to put first 0, then put minus 1, and then put 2, and find it the value of polynomial at the different numbers 0, minus 1 and 2. Okay, try to find it by yourself, otherwise in next day we will solve it by ourselves. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.